Good morning. So we are back to work and I am in the tile shop looking for tiles. Now, if you follow me on YouTube, you would have seen a few months ago that I showed you that I'm going to be refurbing a complete bathroom. Now, this is like 3 months ago. Now, the reason why that isn't finished yet is because we got let down by 2 builders. Yes, let down by 2 builders. Now, I've secured another builder about 2 weeks ago, and the building work is going to be starting around the 17th of November. And it should take about 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do, how I'm going to document the whole process in terms of how I found the builders. You know, they're going to be stripping it out and everything, redoing the whole bathroom. It's a complete bathroom fit. So I'm excited, very, very excited, but I'm going to show you the process. So I'll see you later. Bye. So we found the tile that we're going to have. This is it. This tile, as you can see, it's $34.99. And then we are going to have white as well. So we're going to have this tile. So I have designed the bathroom, okay? I've designed the bathroom. So it's going to be along the shower, it's going to be all this color here, okay? It's going to be this. And then the other walls is going to be half of this. This is also going to be on the floor, and the other half is going to be white. And we've chosen to get grey grouting that also matches the white tile, and then we've got the gold strips as well. Now listen, right, because my mom went to school with the owner of the tile shop, we're going to get a discount. Yep, a discount. So all of the tiles, including the grout, the adhesive, the strips, is costing just over £1,200, which I think is fantastic. That's a really, really good price. So we are excited about this bathroom. And that's our little tile shopping. We've been in the shop now for about an hour trying to get this together, but now it's together. We know what we're getting, and we will see you soon.